Welcome. In this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using your LG Grams web camera. First, on your PC, open the Start menu, then go to All Applications, and now find Camera right here. Open this app, let it use your microphone and your camera. You can also let it use your precise location if you want to, and then face your phone to the camera and select this barcode option on the bar on the side of your camera application. And once you face your QR code to your web camera, you'll see the link on your screen, and if you click on it, you can choose an app to open this resource you were trying to reach using this QR code, and here it is. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.